It is a time of year we all have some extra outbursts in the form of sneezes. Have you ever noticed how your whole body tenses up when you sneeze, and then it kind of feels good after you sneeze? And tonight's good question, Susan Elizabeth Littlefield finds out what happens in our body when we sneeze.
The sights of summer can lead to sounds like this and this. That was a simulation, but this one,
I heard you can sneeze on demand.
Yeah.
was real.
Okay, well, I'll step out of the way.
For some, it's constant.
10 to 15 times a day, honestly.
For others, sporadic.
When I smell flowers, I give this very loud sneeze.
But we all know how it feels.
Everyone sneezes.
And Dr. Kelkar explains why.
When we get exposed to dust, strong smells, perfumes, cigarette smoke, you're going to sneeze.
And sometimes the sun.
The brightness, the light can also trigger this lining of the nose.
And then
once the brainstem receives that signal, it sends a signal back to the motor neurons. That means muscles of the chest, the abdomen, and the throat area. They constrict. They increase the pressure, they constrict. Mouth opens, the nose opens, and the air is pushed out at about 100 miles per hour to get rid of that dust, to get rid of whatever foreign body is going into the respiratory tract.
So that spray is 100-mile-per-hour force.
Yeah, that's why it goes far.
That's why it's key to muffle a sneeze. A sneeze can create 40,000 virus-containing droplets that reach a radius of 26 feet and suspend in the air for up to 10 minutes.
Why does our body have such a dramatic response to simply...
To protect us. Because if the air is not coming out at high speed, you will not be able to get rid of that dust particle. So it's a protective mechanism.
It's a process that sounds painful, but oddly, it's the opposite.
It feels good to sneeze.
So the pressure is building in your chest, in the abdomen, in the throat area. That pressure is relieved. So you feel like that.
Research also shows some endorphins are released, creating a natural runner's high.
Sometimes I sneeze on the couch and I kind of just lay back.
And even though they are tough to suppress,
I'm to my nose, I'm do not let the sneeze out because I don't want to let it out.
they are easy to endure. In Woodbury, with photojournalist Jose Pascal, Susan Elizabeth Littlefield, WCCO News.